Today we're going to see how to make butter chicken. Butter chicken is a very popular curry at the Indian restaurant around the world. The aromatic golden chicken pieces, soft, tender, juicy, with a slicky, smooth, spicy sauce. Really delicious, friend. It's simply smooth, and we're going to see how to make this delicious butter chicken, or we call Murg Makhani. Welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. And to make this butter chicken, all you need a few simple ingredients. So let's see what you need. So all you need about half cup butter, because it's a butter chicken. We need about half cup butter. We're going to saute and we're going to add it in the end. Chicken, I have the 2 chicken breasts, about 500 gram. For the spices, I have 3 different chili powder. So please check out the description below to perfect measurement. And I'm red bell pepper, crushed tomato, dry fenugreek leaves, 1 white onion, ginger garlic, half and half milk, black pepper, heavy whipped cream. So before we begin, I'm just season my chicken with the black pepper and little bit salt. So I'm using the Himalayan pink salt. It really gives nice mild salt on our chicken. Just seasoning well. So we're going to cook this chicken or saute pan fry with the butter. So meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to prepare the other ingredient for the sauce. So I just massage the chicken with the black pepper and salt, let it set for some time. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to prepare the sauce ingredient. So I'm just add a little bit oil on my pan, deep dish pan. I added the onion, garlic, ginger, red bell pepper. So red bell pepper give a nice sweetness and nice red color. So you can use it, the new ingredient, to make this sauce. For the original recipe, they didn't have this all ingredient, but we can always find the alternative and give the nice natural delicious flavor to our sauce itself. So it's a thickening agent. Meanwhile, also it give nice sweet flavor in our curry. So I just add a salt and then like about 20 cashew nut. Cashew nut is a main ingredient for thickening sauce. That's one of the reason the sauce really silky and smooth texture. So please consume this cashew nut in the sauce making. It's one of a thickening agent. So I'm just cook about 10 to 15 minutes until all ingredient becomes soft. So meanwhile we cool the ingredient. I'm going to show you how I saute or pan fried the chicken that we marinate early. So I just add about 3 tablespoons butter. So we're just going to cook the chicken or sear the chicken with the butter. So what happened once we sear the chicken with the pan fry is really lock all the juicy inside the chicken. So this is the important step. Please do this step to have nice juicy butter chicken. So this is the cooking method. We need to cook about 80%, that's it, and we can keep it aside. Meanwhile, once all the tomato, onion, cashew nut getting cool a little bit, I'm going to blend it to smooth, and I'm adding about 1 teaspoon lemon juice or lime juice. So lime juice really give nice balance to our sauce. So in this recipe I didn't add any yogurt or any sour flavor. So that's on it from the tomato and about 1 teaspoon of the lemon juice. So I'm straining all that sauce that we blended earlier to have nice smooth texture. So please strain if you want to have the same quality sauce desire like us from the restaurant. So in the pan again, I just added butter about 2 tablespoons, and I'm adding the kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves, and I just add all that masala. The masala is a dry chili powder, Kashmiri powder, paprika, coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. So once all that cook, I just add that the chicken we sauteed earlier. So once we add all that chicken and the masala itself, and we're going to cook about 2 to 3 minutes, and now we're going to add all that remaining the sauce that we blended earlier. So it's simple recipe, friends, but it tastes so good, and it's really the tender chicken and juicy and so delicious, and really easy to make it at home, friends. And you really can have the same quality like you get from the fancy hotel or restaurant. So I just add all the remaining sauce that we blended, and we're going to cook simmer about 5 minutes, and when start boiling, like the bubbles top and you can see the oil all start breaking, and we're going to add the remaining butter and half cup of the cream, or a half and half. So I'm save another half for the ending of cooking to provide like a richness look, and it's really give nice flavor in the end before we serve this curry. I just give a taste to check the salt. It's really good already, so you always can adjust salt in this time. It's all fully cooked. Just look at this. Okay, friends, it's so good, so thick and rich, creamy. And today I have a basmati steamed rice and naan. So this is perfect combo. You always can serve this butter chicken with a chapati, paratha, or any vegetable rice or anything. It goes so good, and it's really delicious, friend. So this is the way we serve with the ending with some cream on the top of this curry. So friends, look at this. I'm going to show you how the creamy texture curry, and it's very mild, and is really the butter flavors really so good. The richness is divine, and all that mild spice flavor. So you can see the sauce so thick and rich, and I'm going to mix and give it look and give it a try. It's so good, friends. It's simply delicious. And before that, I'm just show how the chicken look. It's just like a melt. It's so buttery, it's so tender and juicy. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Before you leave, click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you, friends.